Hey everyone guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll explain to you how to use a Starbucks gift card on Uber Eats. And if you're wondering whether it's possible, let me clear things up first, okay? Look, unfortunately, Uber Eats does not directly accept Starbucks gift cards as a payment method, okay? However, there's a workaround to, still enjoy your Starbucks favorites with Uber Eats. So first, what you want to do, guys, is you want to use your Starbucks gift card to make a purchase, you know, through the Starbucks app or at a Starbucks location. You can just load the gift card balance to your Starbucks app and you can place a mobile order for pickup. Okay. Then, if you're basically craving delivery through Uber Eats, you can use your regular Uber Eats payment methods like a credit card, debit card, or Uber Cash to actually, pay for your Starbucks order. Look, I know, guys. Well, this is not a it's not a direct solution. This method ensures that your Starbucks gift card actually gets used while you enjoy the convenience of delivery through Uber Eats, right? And that's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, guys. Make sure you comment. If you have any trouble, I'll try to help you out in the comments below as well. And as always, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.